Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video I am going to show you about adding more string for when you run low on string and you need to add more for very long curtains. What you want to do is when your string has gotten as short as you can work with, I could work with this a little longer, but I wanted you to be able to see it easy enough, is you'll take one string and you'll add all 3 beads to it. Then you'll tie your knot, single followed by a double overhand, and then you'll go in that bead, that previous cross bead that you have here, and there your knot is in the bead back one, and that keeps this one clear for the new string. And then I recommend that you bead about 3 cross beads back up your strand, and then you clip off the excess. And I do use clippers with the monofilament fishing line. And then you take your new string, whatever length it is, and you'll take one end and go through that bottom bead of your strand, and then you'll just continue adding. Now the first couple of times you will want to keep your ends together and make sure to keep your 2 ends the same length. So the first couple you'll want to put your ends together and slide the bead down to make sure your string stays the same length. And I'd say probably the first 3 you add, you might need to do that, and then you'll probably be fine after that. And then you just continue your strand until you get to the length that you need. Happy beading!